Surprising facts about the female body you weren't aware of. The female body is not merely flesh and bones put together, it is more of a shrine to each woman, rather beautiful anatomy with an incredible way of functioning, considering how it is able to withhold so much pain and hurt without any complaints whatsoever. The female body never fails to surprise one, does it? Well, these amazing facts about it are only going to do so even more. Were you aware that a woman's breasts aren't similar in size? Talking about the natural ones. But if you are wondering how is it possible, watch the video till the end for the surprising answer behind this. So, get ready to be surprised by tons of interesting information about the female body. A superior memory power. Women are definitely superior to men in this area. No wonder mothers always find what we are looking for but fail to find ourselves. As soon as they enter the room, they just magically find it. And women not only have a better memory in terms of remembering little details, as they also remember different faces better than men do. And studies along with certain memory tests have actually proved that women unconsciously spend more time trying to study the facial features of different people. A stronger immune system. The female body is a whole lot stronger than people perceive it to be. Not only is their immune system stronger in terms of responding to infections and fighting those off, but it is so also when it comes to thrashing other diseases and risks including cancer, liver damage, etc. So, now you know the joke that goes around about how women tend to live longer than men might not just be a joke anymore. Women can see more colors than men can. Did you know women tend to have a way better range of receptors that pick up colors from their surroundings? Yes, that is why women tend to have a better color perception than men do. A higher pain threshold. This one might be a bit obvious considering the numerous ways a woman's body is put through exhaustion and complete burnout so many times, be it menstrual pain, labor pain, etc. However, pain is quite an ambiguous topic, so it might not be that obvious either. But regardless of that, women do tend to have a higher pain threshold than men. Studies have even proved that besides enduring the pain during giving birth, women are also able to handle a general sense of discomfort way better than men. And people say women aren't strong. Oh, how the tables have turned. Women are more likely to experience neck pain. It's not all rainbows and sunshine either. Besides the numerous amazing things women's body can do that man cannot, there are also various things that go the other way around. Ever heard of cervical disc degeneration? Well, that's the principal reason as to why women are more likely to suffer from neck pain than men. The cervical degenerative disc is quite a commonly known disease that causes severe neck pain, the symptoms of which include a stiff or inflexible neck structure, a tingling or burning sensation, numbness, etc. More chances of developing a sleeping disorder. Sleeping disorders are more commonly found in women than they are in men, especially daytime sleepiness as well as difficulty in sleeping at night. And as an unfortunate result, they are also more likely to experience excessive fatigue and/or depressive symptoms, lack of concentration, etc. That's a real bummer now, isn't it? But there's also another interesting fact interconnected to this that you probably did not know. Women tend to have a sensitive hearing even when they are asleep. And even though this adds more to the fact about sleeping disorders, this hypersensitivity to sound is also of great help at times, as this is the principal reason as to why mothers can make out their babies are crying faster and more easily than men can. A stronger sense of smell detection. Wow! So one thing is for sure that almost all the senses of women are superior to those of men. Although the intensity remains unidentified, women really are equipped with a better sense of smell than men are. And the major reason for this might be the presence of more neurons in their olfactory bulbs that results in a higher olfactory sensitivity. So, don't even think about hiding your smelly socks because your mother will get to know about it either way. Women's bodies are more flexible than that of men's. It's a definitive plus for women when it comes to stretching and flexibility. The more important reason behind this is that the muscles and tendons of females consist of more elastin, the protein that essentially provides the ability to stretch to our muscles. Even the curvature of their lower spine adds up to this because their structural designs are quite different than those of men, considering how women have to accommodate with the load of carrying a baby for 9 months. All this adds in better muscle endurance, greater stamina, and at times even more efficient metabolism in women. More power to you, ladies. A size difference in women's breasts. Want to know something shocking? No woman has perfectly symmetrical breasts. What? Yes, that is very much true. One breast is always bigger than the other. However, the difference in size is not necessarily visible in every woman, but could also be quite noticeable in others. So it always depends on the woman and her body type, the volume of her breast tissues, the elasticity of the skin on her breasts, etc. But this is absolutely nothing you should fret over, ladies, because this is a natural phenomenon that is present in every other female. What a surprising yet insightful bunch of facts. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.